Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I have the opportunity today to show off our scars, and my patient here is 4 months post-procedure, came in for the 4-month checkup, but what I really want to show you is, look how awesome, where is his scar? That's the biggest question, is where is his scar? So he's allowing me to take a picture of both the sides of his head to go ahead and help you look for the scar. You will never be able to find his scar, and that's what we strive here at Natural Transplants, is to go ahead and make sure that nobody can find the scar, and if it is, it's just a pencil-lined scar. How do you feel about your scar?
I feel great. I was so excited to get this done. I'm really, really excited right now.
And your barber, can they even find your scar?
They can't even find it.
And how is the front growing out?
Great, great.
So your father, you mentioned, is ecstatic about your results?
My father was so excited to see the result.
So here at Natural Transplants, we specialize in our scar, even scar revisions, but most of all, we get excited about the hair growing. At 4 months, he already has a new hairline. His temples are in place. We know that we're going to see a lot more growth at the 7 to 8 month window. And again, the minimal to no scar. And if you have any questions regarding hair transplants, please call us here at Natural Transplants. Again, I'm Dr. Harold Siegel, and thank you, and please reach out to us.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.